Right, this part is where everything begins. You've got your material, you've got your elastic, so we're going to prep the material to be cut and turned into face mask. So most of you get your piece of material, that's your first thing you're going to do, open it up. But technically that makes it much harder to prep your material. So my trick is to get it into a full fold. So what you need to do is to get a corner together, okay, and line up the savage. So this is the savage, okay, line it up as neat as you can. When you don't, when your material kind of fall quite naturally into a flat strip, if you have your dining table or your worktop surface, get it nice and neat, nice and flat, so like that, okay. If it's not too big, you could iron it, get it ironed out, get it flat, and then that makes it easier to do this as well. So get it lined up, and then fold it one more time. So that gives you a nice quarter of a piece. So if you, like me, using the following tools, so you should be able to cut your 20 centimeters piece quite easily. So this is what I do. I get my fabric line up, so I've got this straight line and that straight line as a straight. You need your template. You can always use your template to double check, because measure twice, cut once. That's still the same principle in making. So, and then lay your ruler out and then cut. Okay, if you could manage it, I will even cut the material double. So this is how I've done my bolted productions. I actually lay both of my material like this. As long as the edges are lining up. So that will speed up the cutting, but only if you can manage, because here's 8 layers of material. So when you dry iron, you will notice with the water I put in earlier, you get a very even amount of steam. So until all the steams are gone, you knew you're good to go. So